Now in number 3, the problem takes a little bit of a detour here because our equations aren't written in the form of y equals, they are x equals. And the first one we have here is x equals y squared, which is actually a parabola on its side. And then we have another one that is actually a cubic function, and that is x equals y cubed. And then they intersect here at the point 1, 1. Now, this time, instead of making vertical rectangles, we are going to change our strategy and use horizontal rectangles. And when we use horizontal rectangles, the width of the rectangle is delta y, and then the length of the rectangle is the right edge minus the left edge. So when we integrate then, instead of integrating from A to B along the x-axis, we are going to integrate from A to B in the y direction. So from 0 to 1, and then the length of our rectangle is the right function minus the left function. Now, the right one is this x equals y squared. So, right minus left, and then with respect to y. So, I'm going to integrate then where it's y squared minus y cubed with respect to y. And number 4 is similar to that in that we have a curve that comes through with an equation of x equals 2y squared minus 2y. And then we have another curve that comes through, and the equation of this curve is x equals 12y squared minus 12y cubed. And so if you notice now, taking horizontal rectangles, then we can integrate from the y value here up to the y value here, which is a y value of 0, and this is a y value of 1. So we're going to integrate from 0 to 1, and then we have our right minus our left. So that would be 12y squared minus 12y cubed, and minus 2y squared minus 2y. And then we are going to integrate with respect to y. Now for number 5, excuse me, our upper function is 2x squared. Our lower function is x to the 4th minus 2x squared. And then we're going to integrate from -2 to +2. For 6, our upper function is x squared. Our lower function is -2x to the 4th. And we are going to integrate from -1 to 1. So we now have all of these problems, and I will give you the answers in the next video.